Today I will make tags that can be used in junk journals. The material used in this video are available for purchase from my Etsy store. It's a digital file so you can download them and start creating right away. For more information, see the link below. For this project, I printed the design on photo map paper, slightly thinner than postcards, and cut everything using a Cricut. Alright, let's get started. Well, there is no specific rules for how to make them. Just simply collaging materials freely however you like. Well, I think it's a good idea to roughly decide on the color theme and balance by placing things before applying glue. I like using this double-sided foam tape when I'm making card or junk journal. It just can help create a sense of depth instantly. If you don't have foam tape, you can use small piece of thin cardboard or something like that instead. If you have items like cotton lace or fabric scraps, they can add a nice texture. I personally quite like put the ribbons on the top, but you don't have to. Yeah, I think I need to stop adding more. That's it. Just like that. I will quickly show you one more. If you have a glitter or glittery materials, it's also fun to add on to it. My one is just from the dollar store. I just put the glue on the tags beforehand and spread on top. I just found the gold key ring from my stash, so I'm just gonna add on. Of course, you can use paper clips, sewing needles, safety pins, whatever you got. So now I'm just gonna keep making them. I'm all done. I'm happy with what I made. I made 32 tags. There are actually 58 tag bases in this kit, so you can make more. And these are the leftovers that I didn't use. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.